everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. Hope everybody's having a great day. It's pretty sunny today in BC, so I have a real quick unboxing. This came from Quebec City, from Berna, so thanks Berna for sending me the pouch here. It came fairly quick. It came within about a week. So that's pretty great for the shipping and all the fun stuff that's going on. If you're new to my channel, welcome in. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment. Make sure you hit the bell notification so you don't miss out on any videos that I upload. And I normally upload at least one. Most of the time I've been uploading 2 a week. So look forward to that. And if you're returning, thanks so much for coming back. Alright, so like I said, I have a unbagging, basically. It's kind of a cool item. They're hard to get. It's more like a repair piece. Basically, it's going to go on my No Way GM Epi. So let's go ahead and open up this baby. Alright, let's see here. Alright. Okay. We're in. Alright, she wrapped it really nice. So that was nice. Yeah, kind of cool paper. And she sent me a little extra, so that was nice. Oh, she sent me like a key holder. Alright, she sent me like a little extra key holder. Oh, that's cool. It has LV in there. Wow, that was nice. She sent like a little extra. You can kind of see it. Huh. Isn't that cool? It's got a piece of canvas.
What'd she send me? Nothing.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. That's going to be a nice bag charm. Alright, and then she sent me like a little dust bag. It's kind of nice. Can use that for other things. Alright. Okay, so that's pretty cool. This has TFG on it with a little monkey. And I thought that, I really love the color here, even though those aren't my initials. I thought that was kind of cool. And then the monkey stamp is kind of cool. And then this will go on my No Way Epi Black GM bag. So I'll leave pictures on Instagram. So make sure that you follow me at Susan Senior Style. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Yeah, it's like it's never even been used. It's like pretty stiff. Really good condition, no scratches. Really nice. Alright, so that's my unbagging for today. I hope everybody's staying safe. And until next time, thanks for watching Susan from Senior Style from a senior point of view. Have a good day, guys. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching.